I'm Ronnie Williams, 1/4/2023. For my portfolio 2, I decided to do the role of the pancreas and the liver in regulating digestion. The pancreas and the liver are two major organs involved in regulating digestion. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones that help break down food, while the liver produces bile that helps to digest fat. Together, these two organs work to ensure that nutrients are broken down and absorbed into the bloodstream for use by the body. In addition, the pancreas and the liver also play a role in the communication and coordination of digestion by sending to other organs when digestion is occurring and when it should be stopped. This study aid will focus on the role of the pancreas and liver in regulating digestion and how they work together to ensure proper digestion. The pancreas and the liver work together by each day the pancreas makes about 8 ounces of digestion juice filled with enzymes. These are the different enzymes. Lipase. This enzyme works together with bile, which your liver produces to break down fat in your diet. The pancreas is an organ located behind the stomach that produces digestive enzymes and hormones. These enzymes are released into the small intestine and help to break down food into smaller particles that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. In addition, the pancreas produces hormones such as insulin and glucagon that help regulate blood sugar levels. These hormones are released into the bloodstream and signal to other organs when digestion should start and stop. The pancreas also plays a role in the communication and coordination of digestion by releasing hormones that signal to other organs when digestion should start and stop. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes that help break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fat. Not only does the pancreas contain glands that release substances to help with digestion and control blood sugar, type 1 and type 2 diabetes are common pancreatic conditions. Other pancreatic conditions include pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. The pancreas is an organ in the back of your belly. It is a big part of your digestive system. It is an organ and a gland. Glands are organs that produce and release substance in the body. There are two main functions of the pancreas. That's the exocrine function, and the exocrine function produces substance enzyme that help with digestion. And then there's the endocrine functions that sends out hormones that control the amount of sugar in your bloodstream. The exocrine system consists of glands that make substance that travel through a duct, which is a tube also. Besides the pancreas, the exocrine system includes the lacrimal glands, the mammary glands, the mucous membrane, the prostate, the salivary glands, the sweat glands, and the oil glands. The endocrine system consists of glands that release hormones into your blood. Those glands control many of your body functions. Besides the pancreas, your endocrine system includes the endocrine glands, the hypothalamus, the ovaries and testes, the pituitary gland, the thymus, the parathyroid and thyroid gland. So the pancreas releases the following enzymes. The enzymes are the lipase, as I mentioned before, the amylase, and the protease. The lipase works with the bile. It's a fluid produced by the liver to break down fat. The amylase breaks down carbohydrates for energy, and the protease breaks down protein. When food enters your stomach, your pancreas releases these enzymes into small ducts that flow into the main pancreatic duct. Your main pancreatic duct connects with your bile duct. The duct transports bile from your liver to your gallbladder. From the gallbladder, the bile travels to part of the small intestine from the duodenum. Both the bile and the pancreatic enzyme enter your duodenum to break down food. The pancreas has a big effect on your sugar. The endocrine glands in your pancreas release hormones that control blood sugar, the glucose. And this is the insulin and the glucagon. The insulin reduces high blood sugar levels, and the glucagon increases low blood sugar levels. Your body needs balanced blood sugar to help with your kidneys, liver, and brain. Your heart and your nervous system also need balanced levels of insulin and glucagon to function properly. You can live without a pancreas. However, to make up for the lack of a pancreas, the person will have to take enzyme pills to digest food and insulin shots to control your blood sugar for the rest of your life. Even though it's not common to remove your pancreas, your pancreatic removal, surgery may remove your entire pancreas if you have pancreatic cancer. The pancreas is about the length of your hand, which is about 6 inches long. It is behind your stomach. It is behind your stomach, but in front of your spine. And the gallbladder, the liver, and the spleen is what surrounds the pancreas. The liver is an organ located on the right side of the abdomen and plays a major role in digestion. The liver produces bile, which helps to break down fats into smaller particles that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. The liver also stores vitamins and minerals that the body needs, and it converts toxic substances into harmless substances so they can be eliminated from the body. The liver also plays a role in the communication and coordination of digestion by sending to other organs when digestion is occurring and when it should be stopped. All the blood leaving the stomach and intestine passes through the liver. The liver processes this blood and breaks down, balances, and creates the nutrients, and also metabolizes drugs into forms that are easy to use for the rest of the body that are not non-toxic. Two vital functions that the liver has for our body is detoxing and storage. There are a few ways to make sure your liver stay healthy. Be careful about your alcohol consumption. Wash your produce and steer clear of toxin, hepatitis A, B, and C. Try to prevent it. Watch out for medication herbs, and exercise and eat right. Drink plenty of water to try to flush the toxin out. All in all, the liver's main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestion tract before passing it to the rest of the body. The liver also detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs, and the liver secretes bile that ends up back in the intestines. You cannot live without a working liver. If your liver stops working properly, you may need a transplant. A liver transplant may be recommended if you have end-stage liver disease, chronic liver failure. This is extremely serious, life-threatening. This is why most people go to dialysis when their liver is not in the healthiest form, to make sure it's still flowing and working properly, because if your liver is not working properly, your body is full of toxin, because that is one of the biggest places where your body detoxifies all the toxin that your body cannot handle and send it to the right location. Some of the main symptoms and signs that you have a liver disease is the skin in your eyes yellowing. They also call it Jardiance. Abdominal pain and swelling in the legs and ankles, itching skin, dark urine color, pale stool color, fatigue, nausea, and vomiting. However, the first main early signs of liver disease is inflammation. The liver will become swollen and inflamed, or hepatitis. Conclusion. The pancreas and liver are two major organs involved in regulating digestion. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones that help break down food, while the liver produces bile that helps to digest fat. There are two organs that work together to ensure the nutrients are broken down and absorbed into the bloodstream for use by the body. In addition, the pancreas and the liver also play a role in the communication and coordination of digestion by sending to other organs when digestion is occurring and when it should be stopped. This study has focused on the role of The pancreas and the liver regulate digestion and how they work together to ensure proper digestion.